Those of you that have been watching our channel regularly know that we've been having a lot of fun with big, expensive, fast RC jets, 3D airplanes, some really cool ground vehicles, and we want to remind you that we're still very much on the lookout for our budget-minded audience too. We know that our channel was established on basically that. Finally, I've gotten to the point in the hobby where I can take my accumulation of smaller things and trade 2 or 3 of those for something a little bit more, a little bit nicer, use that money for that. I encourage you guys to do the same thing too. Now guys, if this turns out to be a winner, a home run vehicle and worth that $40, we'll have it linked in the description box below. We also pin a comment. It catches us off guard sometimes how often people do ask us in the comments, hey, where can I get the thing you're talking about? Again, it's linked in the description box and pinned in the comments section. Going to be the best price that we can find on this. So if we like it, check it out there. Today we're going to take a look at something just a little bit more budget friendly. This comes in at $40, ready to run with a nice transmitter. We see this very common, which is feels good. It's almost borderline hobby grade. And our vehicle here is a 4-wheel drive rechargeable electric battery down here under the bottom. Short course truck, 18th scale. Really, this is pretty much toy grade, but you're starting to touch on some hobby grade features. It does come with a USB charge cable in here, and it took about an hour to charge. Comes with a Phillips screwdriver and nice instructions. So the whole point of this video is to see if this $40 vehicle is worth about $40. I don't expect you guys that drive $200, $300, $500 trucks to really love this, but maybe someone in your family that's just a little bit more budget minded, has some kids that are into the hobby, might like something like this. First of all, I love how this looks.
It looks like it's perfect for our daughter.
I think
one day.
Yeah.
I might be keeping this if it's good.
I think so. It's
save it for her.
Not going to be too super fast, but it's built about like a hobby grade short course truck.
Is that metal?
No, it's not.
There's
basically the only metal on here are the screws and the springs and some of the shocks, parts of the shocks. You know, I don't expect a lot out of this, but we want to keep our budget-minded friends in mind, because I know a lot of people around this area that we live that would love to buy something at this price point, and they're going to want to know, is this worth the $40, Nate? So
proportional?
The throttle is variable. The steering is not fully proportional.
That's okay though.
And keep in mind that your steering trim is on the bottom of the truck on this model. So again, toy grade, partially hobby grade. Let's drive it, bash it, have a little bit of fun. At the end of the video, we'll let you know if we think it's worth that $40, or maybe you should just save up 20 or 30 more bucks and get something else. Either way, we'll have a strong recommendation for you at the end of the video. Yeah, so the variable throttle is nice. I mean, if I want, I can drive about this slow. That's about as slow as it'll let me go. But then I can full throttle and pick up a little bit more speed. Really, for a cool little short course truck, this is not that bad. We're in this spot instead of the hill because our hill spot has been officially shut down now for the entire winter for vehicles. We can still walk back there, but with Amelia napping and stuff, we
didn't have the right stroller.
Right.
We will be prepared next time.
But this is actually, look at where we are.
This wouldn't make it up the hill anyways.
No, but look where we are. You know, this is a birthday party spot. What are you smiling about?
The white van.
Yeah, he's back. He's watching. You know, this is exactly where something like this would be driven. And it kind of goes perfectly with, you know, here in gravel and in grass. This is a kid's toy. Yeah, my wheel got locked up.
It was still fun.
Piece of gravel got locked up in there.
Trying some donuts again in the dirt.
Oh, I don't know if I can get it.
Reverse donuts.
Making me hungry for Jolly Pirate. It's not a bad little vehicle, you guys. Fully rechargeable battery with a JST plug. Not a bad setup. Now, if this was pushing 60 bucks or so, I would say there's some better stuff out there for your money, but let's face it, there's not a lot of decent things in that $40 price range. And this is probably one of the better ones of that price range that I've had my hands on. It feels good to drive. It's not super limiting. Now, if we go, let's see if we can do some thicker grass over here. Up that tree.
Let's see if you can knock the bottle off the pole.
Oh my gosh, there's no way.
Where's our ramp when we need it?
Yeah. That's full speed this whole time. I'm full speed here, but it's not bad. This is perfect for kids because let's say we do hit something hard like that pole, right? If I can even hit it, or maybe that tree. There's full throttle. You want to smack into that tree over there. Look, we're obviously not going to hurt anything. I'd say this is one of the best kids toys you can get. Ready to run. All you need are 4 AA's for your transmitter. It's kind of the point of this video. We just want to let you guys know that we're still looking for some really cool budget stuff too.
It's my turn.
Okay, Abby's at the controls. She said she wanted to take it on the road here and see if it can make it through the little, yeah, nice, wow, not bad. So I don't know if it's trimmed or not. It looks like it's trimmed up nicely. Kind of like a speed test for you. That's booking along, not bad for a small vehicle.
It made it through the
leaves, yeah.
Oh, I got one stuck under me. There.
I'd say this is going to be one of Amelia's first vehicles, wouldn't you?
Yeah, I'm probably going to keep this one.
Yeah. Oh no! Maybe. Yeah. Oh, nice. 4-wheel drive came in handy.
That's awesome.
There you go. There's.
I like it on the road.
Me too. Really. This is fun. It's fun to get out and just take a look at something a little bit cheaper occasionally, isn't it?
See that peel out?
Yeah. Now, if it had just rained, you could do donuts all day long.
That would be fun.
This is not advertised as being waterproof, so don't run it through crazy puddles. And you get, oh nice, it off-roads really well, doesn't it? I think this would be ideal for a gift too. If you want to do some really early Christmas shopping or you got some birthdays for the kiddos in the family, this is great.
This really is just fun to see, like, what can this do?
Yeah, yeah.
As an adult playing with it.
Not bad through the tall grass and the leaves.
I didn't think it could do this.
I thought it'd get bogged down. I'm impressed. Oh no. No, you got it. Nice. That's a good looking little short course truck, isn't it?
I like it.
You know what it reminds me of?
What?
That Warhawk that we had, the 10th scale Warhawk. Is that what it's called?
I don't think that's what it was. It was something like that though. Maybe it was that.
I think it was the Warhawk.
I know it. It was purple though.
Not bad, Abby. Even that really thick grass, yeah. I'll be surprised if you can get out of there.
I think I have a ticket.
You are bogged down. Finally got stuck. I think you're finally... Oh no! Need to lock those dips, don't we? I think Abby and I are both pleasantly surprised by this. These price points are very hit and miss, and more often than not, they're miss over a hit. We've got ourselves a winner for 40 bucks. As long as our link keeps it at $50 or under, this is definitely worth a purchase. Maybe not for yourself if you're serious about the hobby. I don't think you'd have a lot of fun long-term with this, but if you have kiddos in the family or friends with kiddos that are into the hobby, or you think maybe someone would like to try the hobby, maybe even for your significant other. You know, we just recently talked to a couple where the guy was really into the hobby and loved this stuff and just starting to get into hobby grade things, and his wife was just skeptical about it. I don't know. And I think he was a little bit skeptical about letting her drive his expensive stuff. Well, this would be perfect for that. You know, you could still have fun driving it, getting a feel for orientation. You know what I mean? Driving away from you, right is still right, left is still left, but when you're driving toward you, the things are opposite. So something like this that's not going to hurt if you crash it, the wallet or the vehicle very much, is a perfect first vehicle to test the waters. Trust me, it's still toy grade. I'm not trying to sound like this thing is coming across as hobby grade, but it is worth the asking point. We'll have it linked in the description box below. If you're thinking of someone that might be interested in this, go ahead and grab it. Get some early Christmas shopping done. You'll thank us later. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!